Blueprints allow you to import and export entire scenarios so that you can share them with other Make users, whether that's teammates, clients, or partners. Let me show you how it works. If there's a scenario that you want to share, to export the blueprint, we want to click on the three dots here in the top right corner and then select Export Blueprint. This then triggers the download of a JSON file, and this contains all the information about the different connections, modules, and logic that you have in your automation. And this JSON blueprint file is what you'll share with another Make user so that they can import it into their account. To import a new blueprint, we want to create a new scenario. And then at the top right on the three dots, click Import Blueprint. Here we can select our JSON file and then hit Save to import the blueprint. And here you can see an entire workflow has now been imported into my account. The naming is already set up. Now, to actually bring this one to life, what you'll need to go and do is check all of the modules and set up your connections. For instance, here in our account, we don't have a Google Drive connection yet. I'll need to go and do that. If you already have a connection set up with one of the modules in the scenario, you simply just need to select that connection. And you can see all the mapping is already configured, but you will need to go through and set up that connection for every single module. Once you've set up your connections, your scenario is ready to run, or you can customize it further. Blueprints are a huge time saver when you want to reuse scenarios across different teams and organizations, or share your best automations with others.